we're having here another part. This one, this is slender, angle, and slender, and in the end of this is a sphere. So we can here put a slender, in this slender we can decrease the sides to 6 or 7 or 8 as we like. Then we have copy this and increasing the radius little bit and make it more smooth. In this part I will remove smooth, and in this part I can make it little bit small, and I will take a copy. I will decrease the radius and increase the height. After that I can put sphere here. I will put open snap to pivot to move this to this. Okay, now we will put it like this. Perfect. Only in this point we have to move, put the poly to the sphere, and paint the deformation, push and pull, or we can go to freeform from here. I will open this and make flatten to flatten this part like this. We can increase this size to 3 maybe, and this to 0.1. Perfect. We can increase this to 0.5. To 1, to 10. If we see this, perfect. Okay. In this part we have to put other slender to make the sides 8 or 7. Then I can put a cone to this slender in this radius. Perfect. And this one, and the height. Maybe we need to decrease this height and make it local to move this. Then we can edit body and if I select 4, select this polygon and delete, then I can select the border to make this nail. Perfect. Now I will cap this border, then I will select these edges to connect, more connections. Perfect. I will connect this. Okay, and I will select this and connect and decrease these connections. Okay, I'll select the ring, then I will extrude this. I will press Alt with increasing a little bit and decrease this a little bit. Okay. Perfect. Now we can put mesh smooth modifier to smooth this. Okay. We can scale this one and make a group and again rotation for pick, and I will select this cylinder and this rotation will give me some instances here. Perfect.